Hey guys, Brandon here, Florida Outdoors RV Country here in Okeechobee, Florida. I want to show you this Forest River. It's a Forest River Flagstaff 832. It's one of the newer lines we started carrying here, Florida Outdoors RV Country. Have solid surface countertops here, Corian countertops, high-rise sink, large dual door Dometic fridge, really comfortable seats here by Lazy Boy. Beautiful furnishing all throughout. Flat screen LG TV. Really just a nice layout. Feels very homey and really good quality. A bathroom. Alright, let's take a look outside. Alright, so we have slide toppers on all the slides. Automatic awning, we actually have two of them. Here, one on the slide, one on the main side here. Front window that opens. Two more slides here, of course, with slide toppers. Good thing about slide toppers, they take debris, keep debris off of your slides. If you have any questions about this RV, feel free to call us at 863-623-4689. Thanks so much for watching and have a nice day.